Good morning, children. You all know about simple multiplication, but today in this class we will learn about multiplication by grid method. Okay, so let us start and learn multiplication by grid method. Here is one example: 47 multiplied by 7. Children, first of all, what you will do? You will write expanded form of 47. So, expanded form of 47 is 40 plus 7. Okay. Now, you will make grid. Grid means you will make a box and write this expanded form. Okay, 40 and 7. Now you have to multiply this number by 7. So 7 you will write down. Okay, children. Now what we will do? We will multiply, or you can say you read the table of 7 4 times. 7 fours are 28, and this 0 will be written here. Now in second step you will read 7's table 7 times. Okay, and write in this box 7's table 7 times, that comes 49. Children, after doing this, you will add these two numbers. So it will become 280 plus 49. When you will add 0 and 9, it will come 9, 8 and 4, 12, 2 carry over 1, 2 and 1, 3. So this is your answer. Children, we can do this sum by simple multiplication method also. When you will multiply 47 by 7, what you do? You read table of 7 7 times. 7 sevens are 49. Children, 49 is a 2-digit number. So 9 that is written on one's place will be written down, and 4 will be go on the 10th place as a carryover number. Now second time you will read 7's table 4 times. 7 fours are 28, 28 and add 4, 29, 30, 31 and 32. So you will write 32 down. Children, you can see the answers are coming same, and this is called as grid method, and this is simple multiplication method. Children, you can say this method also a box method, because you are making a box to do the multiplication. Okay. Now let us see multiplication of number by 2-digit number by grid method. Okay. So here is one example: 78 multiply by 24. As I told you in the beginning, first you have to write the expanded form of 78. What will be the expanded form? 7 tenths or 70 plus 8. And here expanded form of 24 is 20 plus 4. Okay, children. Now you have to make the grid. Or you have to make the box. Okay, children. Now this 78 will be written horizontally. So we will write 70 and 8. Now expanded form of 24 will be written vertically. 20 and 4. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to read of 2's table 7 times. 2's table 7 times. 2 sevens are 14. And 2 is having 1 0 and 7 is having 1 0. So total 2 zeros. Correct? Similarly, we will read 2's table 8 times. Okay? So 2's table 8 times. Here 2 8s are 16 and 2 is having 1 0, so you will put 1 0 here. Correct? Now you have to read a table of 4. Okay? 4's table 7 times. 4 sevens are 28 and 7 is having 1 0, so you will put 1 0 here. Now 4's table 8 times. 4 8s are 32 and children no 0, so you will not put any 0. Now what we will do? We will add the numbers that are present inside the box or inside the grid. So first number is 1400. Second number is 160. Third number is 280. And fourth number is 32. Children, here you can see I have arranged every number to the correct place. You can see digits of every number are present at their correct place. Here this is ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. And after that you will add. When you will add ones place, it will come 2. When you will add tens place, 6 and 8, 14. 14 and 3, 17, 7. Carry over 1. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 2, 8. And this one will be written like this. So what is the answer of 78 and 24 will be 1872. Children, hope you all have understood about this method of multiplication. Children, watch video carefully to understand this method, grid method. Okay? Thank you and have a good day.